Hi guys! If you are using ChatGPT API, you've probably encountered long time response problem. Let me show you a quick example. Here I have basic snippet from OpenAI docs. I am giving instruction to the chat that it is a cashier at a grocery store. It has to be polite to the customers and help them find stuff. My question is, hello, where can I find the lemons? Here and here I have perf counter, which is going to help me how much time API needs to generate the response. Let's run this snippet. And as you can see, it took almost 5 seconds before we get the response. I can switch this line for better visualization. Let's run again. Of course, this time is not constant because it depends, first of all, how many tokens the response has, and of course, how busy are OpenAI servers. But let's round it to 4 seconds. And now the streaming approach, which is very similar, but I set stream mode to true. And now the response will return OpenAI stream object, which I can unpack with simple iteration for in. Structure of the chunk is a little bit more complicated, so I have to specify the index and delta content. End of the stream is indicated with non-token, and I don't want to print it out. So this is the purpose of this if. If I run this code, you see it took not even a second to start generating the content. Okay, let's try once again to make the proof. And it's very similar, 0.9 seconds. If you are building, for example, voice assistant or simple chatbot, streaming mode will add much better responsiveness to your application. In case anyone asks, I get this API key from my OpenAI account. So if you want to use OpenAI API, you have to replace it with your own key. And one fun fact, if I will ask ChatGPT to generate stream mode of himself, it will give me the wrong answer. Let's copy this code. Replace API key. And run the snippet. It broke at the first line of the function. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon.